This is the time to eat an apple if you want maximum health benefits. What is the best time to eat apples? An apple a day keeps the doctor away is an old familiar saying even our mothers forced us to believe. But, this immunity-increasing fruit cannot be included at any time of the day. There is a reason Ayurveda has always been behind us to eat certain foods at a particular time of the day to reap their benefits. Even our old friend apple has one. Morning hours. As per studies, you should eat an apple in the morning hours. This is because apples are rich in dietary fiber, pectin, which is found in its peel. Since most people have digestive issues due to improper sleep or late eating habits, apples right in the morning, after waking up is a good idea. Thus, eating an apple in the morning can stimulate your bowel movement better than any other fruit. Pectin. Secondly, pectin can also help protect lactic acid and help the bacteria present in it grow better in the colon. This will further help in a healthier digestive tract. Other than this, pectins in apples can help get rid of toxins as it leads to the elimination of carcinogens, a substance responsible for producing cancer. What happens if you eat apples in the evening? If you eat apples at night or in the evening, this pro-digestive fruit can turn against you and load on your intestinal functions. This means apples at night will produce gas and make you severely uncomfortable during the wee hours. Organic acid. Also, the organic acid in apples can increase the stomach acid more than the normal level and can come in the way of your bowel movements. Benefits of apples. Therefore, it is best to eat apples in the morning right after you get up or as a snack between meals to get its maximum benefits, which include nutrients, weight loss, good skin, great digestion and a healthy body in the long run.